Hey fishy people, we're back for round 2 today. John Austin and one of his friends wanted to go fishing this afternoon, so we came back out to Three Fountain Pond to do a little fishing. It's a great space to fish for beginners because there's a lot of wide open space. So thought we'd go out here for a couple hours and give it a try. We'll bring you along. This guy snuck up right when I was about to pull it out of the water and just wham! We're gonna let this guy go. See if we can get a good release on him. There he goes. Well, fishy people, it's been a good afternoon. Caught one fish, lost a couple, lost one of my spinnerbaits, but did catch a lure. Snagged some fishing line as I was pulling in my second spinnerbait and pulled it in, and it is a Craftmaster chrome spoon. So something I remember fishing with my dad when I was a kid, whenever we used to occasionally fish for trout. So it's kind of cool to get one of those off the bottom of the pond. So we're gonna head out. Appreciate y'all coming along today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.